Welcome to Little Artists, and we're coming again with another drawing. Enjoy. First, we're going to start off with a half of a circle, just like that. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then make the letter J. Perfect. Upside down U, you got it. A line here, 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 and there. Then we're going to draw little curves, just like so. Then the raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Couple of clouds. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. How about a sun? Here's a sun. There's a sun. And another sun. You did it. A few more curved lines and voila. And we have to do a couple of clouds. You can add as many raindrops as you like. I'll add a middle one. It's color time.
Hey.
Remember, you can use any color you want.
Orange. Yellow. Green. Wow.
My lovely clouds are raining candy. Yay! How fun! We're going to color around the raindrops on the umbrella. Let's color around the clouds.
Purple.
Let's color around the suns. Let's color around the umbrella handle. Oh, wow, you're almost done. I'm going to add some eyes and mouths to my clouds. Oh, one looks like it's smiling while the other is sticking their tongue out.
There, white.
Subscribe.